sorry?
That is not included in the RD district, is that correct? I have it.
You have a oil gas ordinance?
I have our township ordinances, yes. And I actually read through them. There are additional stipulations, right? So we're here to discuss a conditional use on top of the ordinance, right? So we do have some power here, as you just said, to make some recommendations. And I
And we're
think,
gonna start with 31.
yes, and I think that we should cover some of these concerns. Let's talk first about pollution, and I think we should probably start with water. There is significant complaints here in this state, and I understand, as you said, right, we have to follow Pennsylvania's law. As we know, Pennsylvania's law for this is abysmal. It is infamous for how poorly regulated. Independent studies have analyzed the PA Auditor General, in fact, audited the PA DEP and found sloppy records and mismanagement. We are infamous for bad laws. So I just want the room to be aware of that. The state law is not going to protect us here, and that's very important. As far as the pollution risk, there's over 1,200 fracking water complaints filed in only 17 of the 40 fracking counties here in Pennsylvania. How do they define that? That's any water complaint initiated within 6 months of drilling within 2,500 feet of the well pad. Now, that's only in 17 out of the 40 counties. A lot of these counties did not report figures, and we'll get into why that is in a minute. However, that is a 44% fracking water complaint record within the stipulation that I just provided, right, the 2,500 feet within the pad. So are we prepared to say that essentially half of us who have natural water in this region will experience an issue with the fracking? I mean, that is a figure that I have here, right, from a scientific study. So the room should be aware of that. That is a major concern. That is 1 out of 2 of us who are going to be experiencing that. Now, that is an artificially low number. And why is that the case? That is because the PA DEP does not mandate that voluntary restitution, which they encourage as the solution to this problem, be recorded and captured in the figure. You may know.